Hello students and welcome back to a video tutorial on Canva Video Editor brought to you by the Tons of Fun in Learning channel. For the second part of this tutorial, we'll cover how to import, add, edit, and trim videos. Alright, let's get on with today's video. So here we are in a new blank video canvas. From here, you want to go over to your left to Uploads, then click on Upload Files on the top to where it will show you the Explorer. Select the file of the video you wish to upload and then click Open. Depending on the size of your video, you have to wait till the uploading process finishes. To add our uploaded video, click and hold to drag it down to the page itself. Once you do, you can click on Play to preview your video and check out how it plays out.
They want me to fight the chicken?
It's a fight to the death, kid! Chicken jockey!
And there we go. Looks like our video plays just as intended, which lasts for about 35 seconds. Just before we begin, we'll need to know how to manipulate the playback. Playback manipulation involves manually moving the vertical line that you normally see moving to the right of your screen whenever a video is playing. This very line is known as the playback line or a playback slider, and it allows you to move to a certain mark of your video's timeline, which will play an important part of editing videos, especially for trimming and splitting off specific sections of a video you want to get rid of. To perform playback manipulation, click and hold onto the playback line and you can carefully drag it to a certain point of your video you desire. To make the process easier, you can even zoom in to make your adjustments more accurate based on the video timeline. To do this, hover your mouse over the playback and use the scroll to zoom in and out. Now that you know how to manipulate the playback, let's move on to the first editing method. The first method we'll be tackling is trimming. Trimming videos means we cut off the start and end of the video clip, making it much shorter than the original. To trim your video, click and hold down the end of the video clip down on the playback. Carefully drag it all the way to the part where you want the video to end instead. If you move your playback slider to where you want it, the trimming process should eventually snap to the playback position. And there we go, we have successfully trimmed down our example clip down to the end. The next method is splitting. And much like trimming, splitting clips involves the use of a playback line. And it will be especially important in the use of this method as it will serve as the line where our selected video clip will be divided into two separate clips, which you will be able to separately edit independent of the other. To demonstrate video splitting, drag your playback line to a point of the video clip you want to split. Then you can either right-click the clip and select Split or hit the shortcut key S. And there you go. Your video clip is now perfectly divided into two from the playback line. These two clips are now free to edit separately without changing the other. For a re-demonstration, I'll try to split the second clip of the example so we can capture an iconic scene in this video. There we go. We have successfully split the video clip and isolated the clip we wanted. Now that we have split the video into several parts, let's delete the ones we don't want anymore. And there we go. Alright, now let's take a look at our edited video.
Chicken jockey!
A note about using Canva's online preview. When previewing videos with several clips, the preview may encounter visual problems that may not be present in the downloaded file version of the video. And that concludes the end of the second part of the Canva Video Editor tutorial. For the next part, we'll cover how to add elements, text, effects, and transitions to your overall video.